Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start with the essentials: power off, needle out, bobbin removed, safety first. You clean the race and remove lint so tension parts move freely. This prevents false readings. Once done, set the tension dial to the neutral or factory mark, often 4, so you have a reproducible baseline. Make sure thread path is correct. Spool, tension discs, take-up lever, needle. Now thread slowly by hand to feel resistance and confirm the discs engage properly. You'll now fine-tune tension with practical tests. Rethread both top and bobbin, confirming the thread seats in the discs and the take-up lever moves. Once threaded, stitch on a scrap using the same fabric and thread you plan to use, so 10 to 15 stitches. Watch the seam. Loops on bottom mean upper tension too loose, loops on top mean upper tension too tight. Make 1/4 to 1/2 increments on the dial and repeat until stitches lock evenly. You finish by trimming tails and running a longer seam on the actual fabric to confirm balance. Once stitches look even, sew a few seam lengths at normal speed to ensure stability. If you still see unequal loops, make small dial tweaks, 1/4 to 1/2 increments, then test again. Most importantly, if problems persist, check needle size and condition, thread weight compatibility, and bobbin case for dents. A mismatched needle or damaged bobbin case.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.